am a student at CSU San Bernardino, and today in this video I'll be going over the referential integrity. I have already created tables and inserted data in the Coyote product database. As you guys can see here, I have created the customers table, which has the information, which has the customer number, customer name, street, the location, the balance, the credit limit, the represented number. The order line has order number, part number, number ordered, quoted prices. Orders table has the order number, orders date, and customer name. And the part number has table has part number, description, on hand, the class, the warehouse, the price. And the rep table has the rep number, last name, first name, street, city, states, zip code, commissions, rate. As you guys know that this is a table and these are their attributes. I'm gonna go ahead and close these tables, and let me go over